Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can reset network settings on Huawei. So to start, you will need to open Settings, onwards enter the System and Updates category, then open the Reset page, tap at the Reset Network Settings, then select which SIM card you would like to reset the settings for, and then tap at the Reset Network Settings button at the bottom to confirm. Then draw your lock screen if you have some, and finally at last tap at the Reset Network Settings, and they were successfully reset, as you can see. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.